Judge Amber Givens and Dallas County's 282nd Judicial District Court have come under spotlight. A number of judicial recusals nearing 100 cases. Many she voluntarily agreed to and some granted by another judge. When a judge is recused, the case is taken out of their court.
Well, I've never seen this many recusals in one county. I've never heard of it, never seen it.
Regional First Administrative Judge Ray Wheelis heard those recusal motions from the 282nd. Normally, there's one or two a week, but not dozens at a time.
So you'd have to ask Ms. Shiver, but I believe she's been really busy.
Candy Shiver is the court coordinator responsible for reassigning all of these cases, a tedious task.
She assigns the case to the court that's next in line.
These 100 or so cases from the 282nd will be spread out over 17 felony district courts in Dallas County.
One word: catastrophic.
Mark Lassiter is a defense attorney of 20 years. He has 6 cases pending in Judge Givens' court. He argues bias and an inefficient court left him no other option but to file to recuse, even if he believes it delays the whole system.
People will stay in jail longer than they should be. People will not be able to make lawful requests that they would normally be able to do, and then attorneys are not going to be able to resolve cases.
Delays are inevitable when recusals happen. Lassiter says at best, cases get pushed for weeks. Judge Givens characterized the recusals as, quote, attorney antics meant to, quote, suppress the will of voters.
Politics.
Judge Givens did not give an on-camera interview, but her communications team connected us with an attorney, Charles Meduca, a Dallas defense attorney of 34 years. He says any notion of major delays is exaggerated.
I don't think they're giving her respect. They're undermining her authority.
The judge did offer this statement. These recusal cases represent less than 1% of the more than 5,000 cases that my court disposed of within the last 3 years. Lassiter says there will be ethics and due process implications from all this. He anticipates former 282nd defendants to come out of the woodwork to attempt to retry their cases.
The delays hurt the clients. It hurts society. It hurts the constituents.
Judge Wheelis and his staff are left to deal with the onslaught of recused cases. He says the law does allow him to offer immediate relief in certain circumstances.
People that are in jail are supposed to take priority over people that are not in jail. In certain cases have priority over other cases, and so it's the duty of that new judge to look at that case and decide whether to move it to the top or not.
On Monday, 4 new voluntarily recused cases from the 282nd Court ended up on Candy Shiver's desk. The ultimate hope is that all cases are reassigned in the next couple weeks. In Dallas, I'm Jobin Paniker.